Hi guys, hope all of you doing great and preparing well for your coming exams. Muhavre, idioms. This is what I'm going to explain in this video. A little subscriber of mine had sent a worksheet and had requested me to explain it in English, dedicated to her and all other little subscribers who would like to benefit from it. Let's start with the muhavras. निम्नलिखित मुहावरों के अर्थ तथा वाक्य लिखिए. Write the meaning and sentences of the below mentioned idioms. निम्नलिखित means below mentioned, वाक्य means sentence. जान में जान आना. अर्थ राहत मिलना. राहत मिलना means to get a lot of relief. Children, in the exam, you will be required to fill in the proper or appropriate idiom. So it's very important that you all learn this muhavra by heart. You should learn the muhavra by heart and you should know its meaning also. Then whatever sentence comes, you will be able to fill in the appropriate idiom. जब मेले में खोया हुआ बेटा मिल गया तो माँ की जान में जान आई. This is the muhavra. So ana here has become I. So that according to the sentence you will have to change it. जब मेले में खोया हुआ बेटा मिल गया तो माँ की जान में जान आई. That means when the mother found her lost son in the fun fair, she was greatly relieved. एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगाना. This is a muhavra or idiom and its meaning is पूरा प्रयास करना, to try your best. That is what is meant by एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगाना. मोहन ने अपनी कक्षा में प्रथम आने के लिए एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा दिया. In order to come first in his class, Mohan put in or gave in his best. That is what it means. So here instead of the arth or the meaning, you will have to write the muhavra. So it's important that you learn the muhavra by heart. एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगाना. So any sentence where it means that someone has to put in his or her best, you have to use this muhavra. होश फाख्ता होना, and the meaning is होश उड़ जाना, to become really shocked. That is what is होश फाख्ता होना means. दारा सिंह पहलवान को देखकर विदेशी पहलवान के होश फाख्ता हो गए. Now children, all of you know that Dara Singh was a wrestler or is a wrestler rather of a country, India. Now Dara Singh was a very famous wrestler. Here Pahalwan means wrestler. So looking at or seeing Dara Singh, the foreign wrestlers, they were really shocked. Here shocked means they lost their presence of mind. They were wondering whether they would be able to fight him, okay, or win him. जोखिम उठाना. जोखिम उठाना means खतरे में डालना or take risk or put oneself in danger. That is what जोखिम उठाना means. अपनी प्रतिष्ठा बचाने के लिए वह प्रत्येक जोखिम उठाने के लिए तैयार है. In order to save his name or fame, he is ready to take any risk. Pratishtha means fame. बचाने के लिए means to save. प्रत्येक means each and every. जोखिम उठाने के लिए तैयार है. Ready to take up any types of risk in order to save his fame. उल्टे पांव लौटना. अर्थ बिना रुके तुरंत वापस चले जाना. It means to return immediately without stopping. मनीष के घर पर ताला लगा था, इसलिए मैं उल्टे पांव लौट आया. Children, here there is a full stop missing. After tha, there is a full stop missing. Sorry about it. There was a lock on Manish's house. That is, on the door, there was a lock. That is what it means. Tala means lock. इसलिए, that is why I returned without stopping there. Immediately, I returned from there. that is उल्टे पांव लौटना. राह देखना, अर्थ किसी की प्रतीक्षा करना, to wait for someone. मंत्री जी के ऑफिस के बाहर सभी लोग उनकी राह देख रहे थे. All the people were waiting for the minister outside his office. राह देख रहे थे means they were waiting for the minister. So any fill in the blank where there is someone waiting for someone, you can use the muhavra or idiom राह देखना. उपयुक्त मुहावरे से रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति कीजिए. Fill in the blank with the appropriate idiom. रिक्त स्थान means blank. पूर्ति कीजिए means fill it. उपयुक्त means appropriate. रामू मात्र 8वीं पास है, फिर भी उसकी सरकारी नौकरी लग गई. इसी को कहते हैं, and you have to fill up the appropriate idiom in this blank. Now children, if you see the meaning of the sentence, Ramu is only 8th pass. That is, he has passed only his 8th grade. फिर भी उसकी सरकारी नौकरी लग गई. Still he got a government job. इसी को कहते हैं. This is what is called. Now you understood the background? So the options are धोखा हो जाना, to get cheated. Kismat chamakna, your fortune is shining or fate is shining. Do haath hona, which means to fight with someone. Aag babula ho jana, that means to become very angry with someone. Now you can make out that in this sentence the appropriate idiom that will come is kismat chamakna, that is your fortune is shining, your fate is, destiny is shining. Because he is just 8th grade pass till he got a government job. Hope I'm clear to you children. In case you have any doubts, definitely write in the comments and I'll be helping you out. प्रतियोगिता जीतने के लिए मेरी बहन ने dash dash dash. Now प्रतियोगिता means competition. जीतने के लिए means in order to win it. In order to win the competition, my sister. Now you should note it, the children. Here they are talking about winning a competition. So let's see what are the meanings of the different muhavras that have been given. Aag mein ghee dalna. This means to, a small issue, make a big issue out of a small issue. Edi choti ka zor lagaya means to put in, give in the best. Try the maximum hard work you have put in. So now you might be getting an idea which muhavra will come here. 19-20 का अंतर होना. Very slight difference, is there. आसमान पर चढ़ना means to become very famous. That is what it means. So now you can understand. In order to win a competition, what should one do? एडी चोटी का जोर लगाना. प्रतियोगिता जीतने के लिए मेरी बहन ने एडी चोटी का जोर लगाया. She worked or gave in her best. She worked very hard. राहुल ने डैश बिल्ली को बस के नीचे आने से बचा लिया. Now बिल्ली means cat. बस के नीचे से आने से बचा लिया means he saved it from coming under the bus. So now you have to think the appropriate idiom. आग लगाना. आग लगाना means to again make a mountain out of a molehill. Okay. Then जोखिम उठाकर, having taken some risk. हवा से बातें करना, to run very fast. जमीन आसमान एक करना, to work extremely hard. Now what will come here? राहुल ने डैश बिल्ली को बस के नीचे आने से बचा लिया. हवा से बातें करके means he ran very fast and he saved the cat from coming under the bus. So this should be the appropriate idiom. खिल जाना meaning प्रसन्न होना, become very happy. बच्चों को आंगन में खेलते देख दादी माँ का दिल खिल उठता है. Seeing the children playing in the veranda or front yard, grandma's dil khil uthta hai means she becomes very happy. Okay. Gadgad hona, which means बहुत अधिक प्रसन्न, become extremely happy. जब राम की माँ ने परीक्षा का परिणाम देखा तो उनका मन गदगद हो गया. When Ram's mother saw his exam results, she became extremely happy. पौ फटना, प्रातः काल होना, to become morning. पौ फटते ही पिताजी घर से निकल पड़े. As soon as it became early morning or morning, father went out of the house. Now here children, you should not write the meaning in the fill in the blank. It always has to be the muhavra that has to be written. So knowing the muhavra well and knowing its meaning, both are equally important. Akash se tare todna means asambhav कार्य karna, to do something which is very difficult or almost impossible. रेखा ने परीक्षा देते हुए भी संगीत प्रतियोगिता जीत ली. सच में उसने आकाश से तारे तोड़ने जैसा काम किया है. In spite of having participated in the music competition, sorry children, there's a small difference. रेखा ने परीक्षा देते हुए भी संगीत प्रतियोगिता जीत ली. In spite of giving her exams, she won the music competition. Truly, उसने आकाश से तारे तोड़ने जैसा काम किया है. She has done a work which is almost impossible. उसने असंभव कार्य किया है. आकाश से तारे तोड़ना means something that is impossible. Here संगीत प्रतियोगिता means music competition. आंच नहीं आने देना. It means कष्ट न आने देना. कष्ट न आने देना means to see that no trouble comes. No one is affected by some trouble. चाहे कितनी भी मुश्किलें उठानी पड़े, माँ अपने बच्चों पर जरा भी आंच नहीं आने देती. How much ever difficulties a mother has to face, she sees to it that her children do not ever face any problems. That is what it means. आग में घी डालना, to put ghee or butter, clarified butter in fire. What happens then? The fire, it becomes all the more severe. The meaning is krodh ko badhana. Now children, here aag mein ghee dalna means already someone is angry and you are further making him angrier. पिताजी राहुल पर नाराज हो रहे थे. तभी नेहा ने उसके फेल होने की बात बताकर आग में घी डालने का काम किया. Now father was getting angry at Rahul. At that time, Neha announced about his failure in the exam. And what did she do? Aag mein ghee dalne ka kaam kiya. That is, his father was angry. Hearing this news, he became angrier. Now, these are some questions that you have to do, children. निखिल अपनी माँ की dash है. Nikhil is his mother's. Normally, what do you think the meaning should come? It should be around his mother's favorite. That is what it feels, right? So, aankh ka tara means someone who's very dear to you. Whenever there is a sentence in which the meaning comes as if somebody is very dear to you, please use the idiom aankh ka tara. Nikhil अपनी माँ की आंख का तारा है. परीक्षाएं पास आ गई हैं. अब तो dash. Exams have come near. At least now. So it is mostly that work hard. Something related to that should be there, children. So just see which idiom has a meaning which is relating to hard work. Aankh milana means to face someone straight. Hosh fakhta hona means to lose one's consciousness or become very shocked looking at someone. Din raat ek karna means to work extremely hard. Khil jana means to become very happy. Aag babula hona means to become very angry. Now children, for the exams, which one will be the appropriate muhavra? दिन रात एक करना, that is to work very hard. परीक्षाएं पास आ गई हैं, अब तो दिन रात एक कर लो. करना won't come. Here there's a small change in the verb. It will be कर लो. पुलिस को देखते ही चोर. Now, as soon as the thief sees the police, what happens? He runs away. Or here, which could be the other one? होश फाख्ता हो गए. चोर के होश फाख्ता हो गए. Means, as soon as the thief saw the police, he was shocked. Or he lost his, he was very scared. That is what it means.